Hello, friends! Welcome to our American Slang podcast. I'm excited to teach you today. American slang is fun and useful. It helps you sound like a real American when talking. Slang words are informal. Friends use them every day. They make your English sound more natural. Are you ready to learn cool American words? Great! Let us start learning slang right now. Slang means informal words that Americans use in daily conversations with friends and family members. These words are not in school books, but real Americans use them all the time. Slang makes you sound friendly and cool. It shows you understand American culture and way of talking. Learning slang helps you understand movies, songs, and conversations better than before when you did not know. Awesome means very good or great. Americans say, that movie was awesome. All the time now. Cool does not just mean cold. It means good or nice. Say, your car is cool. Hang out means spend time together. Ask friends, do you want to hang out today? Chill means relax or calm. You can say, let us just chill at home tonight. Bucks means dollars in American slang. Say, this costs $20 instead of $20 always. Broke means you have no money. Say, I am broke when you cannot buy things. Cheap means something costs little money. Say, this shirt is really cheap for good prices. Expensive becomes pricey in slang. Say, that restaurant is too pricey for me to friends. Grub means food in American slang. Ask friends, want to get some grub? For meals. Grab a bite means eat something quickly. Say, let us grab a bite before the movie. Yummy means delicious or tasty food. Say, this pizza is so yummy when eating good food. Junk food means unhealthy food like chips. Say, I eat too much junk food every day. Dude means guy or man. Americans say, hey dude, how are you? To male friends. Chick means girl or woman. But be careful. Some women do not like this word. Buddy means friend or pal. Say thanks, buddy. To show you are friendly with someone. Guys can mean both men and women. Say, hey guys. To a group of people. Bummed out means sad or disappointed. Say, I am bummed out about missing the party. Pumped up means excited and happy. Say, I am pumped up for the concert tonight. Stressed out means very worried. Say, I am stressed out about my test tomorrow morning. Fired up means angry or very excited. Say, I am fired up about this game. Yeah means yes in casual talking. Say, yeah, I agree with you instead of formal yes. Nope means no in friendly way. Say, nope, I cannot come today to friends casually. For sure means definitely or certainly. Say, for sure I will help you with that. No way means absolutely not. Say, no way, I do not believe that story. Use slang with friends and family only. Do not use slang in business meetings or school. Listen to how Americans use slang first. Then practice using these words in casual conversations daily. Some slang words are old now. Learn new slang from movies, songs, and young Americans. Do not use too much slang together. Mix slang with normal English for better communication. American slang makes your English sound natural and cool. But use it in right situations only. Practice these slang words with American friends. They will help you learn the right way. Remember, slang changes over time. Keep learning new words from movies and American people you meet. Thank you for listening today. Start using one slang word now. See you next time, guys!